In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello and Outlook Calendar with automated two-way updates in just 5 minutes. This integration can be a game changer for organizing your tasks and managing your schedule seamlessly between both platforms. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Head to the main login page and enter your details. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Once logged in, if you prefer, you can use your Google account by clicking on the Google login option and selecting the account you want to proceed with. This method can simplify the process if your Trello account is already linked to Google. Next, navigate to the Trello board where you'd like to set up this integration. Once you're on the board of your choice, look for the option to manage power-ups. Power-ups in Trello are essentially add-ons that enhance the functionality of your boards, and we'll be using one today to link Trello with Outlook. Click on the Power-ups button. When you do this, it should bring up a menu that allows you to add new power-ups to your board's toolkit. In the search bar, type in Outlook Calendar for Trello. This is the specific power-up that will facilitate the connection between your Trello board and your Outlook schedule. After locating it in the search results, click on Add to begin integrating it into your workflow. Once the power-up is added, you'll need to configure its settings. Look for the settings option associated with the Outlook Calendar power-up. Clicking on this will guide you through a simple setup process. Here, you'll be required to authorize the power-up to access certain data on your behalf. Authorization is crucial as it allows the add-on to fetch data from both Trello and Outlook to keep everything in sync. After authorizing, the final step is to connect your Trello and Outlook accounts. Ensure you have access to both your Trello and Outlook credentials, as you'll need to enter these details to establish the link between both platforms effectively. Once connected, your Trello tasks will automatically appear in your Outlook calendar, and any updates made in Outlook will reflect in Trello as well, thus completing a seamless two-way synchronization. And there you have it, your Trello and Outlook are now synced with automated updates going both ways. This setup not only saves time but significantly enhances productivity by keeping your schedules and tasks in perfect harmony. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and instructional guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.